Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on sketching the modulus graph. So let's look at the first one. I think to sketch modulus graph is pretty okay. The first one is you just try and sketch without the modulus first. So this graph here, we know that when y is 0, this could be expressed as 3x plus 4 and 2x minus 3, right? So when to sketch this graph here, what happens is I know that okay, draw the axis here, then we know that it will cut at 3/2, which is 1.5. Then there will be negative 4/3 here, right? So that's that. Then after which we know that 3 quarter 1.53 when it's 0, when x is 0 is negative 12. So basically it will be here, roughly in the middle here, okay? So that's about it. So when you draw this graph, it will be like 0, negative 12, right? You just sub x equals 0. This is the graph here. So when you want to draw the modulus graph, what happens is basically, when you understand is the negative side will just flip to the top, as such. Okay. So this negative value here will just flip to the top there. So if you were to draw this graph, let me just draw it out for you. So if you draw it, y is equal to mod 6x squared minus x minus 12. What we really need is going down. It's a quadratic graph. Flip it up. Okay. Then this intercept here. Okay. The maximum point is roughly to the right side of the y-axis. So this point here will just be 0, 12. Okay. So that's it. That's how you sketch the graph there. Now this for B. B similarly, if you were to draw this graph out without the modulus, this graph will look like it's an exponential curve. So it will look, this is y equals to negative 3. So it will look something like that. It cuts up. Then this is like negative 2, right? So this guy will be like 0, negative 2. This guy, when this intercept here, when y is 0, we know that 0 equals to e2x equals minus 3. So 3 ln 2x, x equals to half ln 3. So this guy is just half ln 3, 0. Okay. So what we need is actually, if you were to flip, if you mod it, what happens is this guy will flip upwards. It will go here. So this negative region will just flip about the x-axis, because you will never touch the negative value. You will just come over here. Okay. So then that's your graph. So if I were to sketch this graph, it will look something like that. So this will be half ln 3, 0. This will be 0, negative 2. Y equals to 3. Because negative 3 comes out will be 3. So y equals x. Okay. So this is the graph where you're looking at. So y equals to mod e2x minus 3. That's how I do this question here proficiently. If any questions at all, please let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.